In this video, we will talk about a few basic things related to editing and customizing your website. Anything related to customization can be found under Website and Design. Once you click there, you will see your themes. The theme marked as active is your current website theme. To customize this active theme, click the Customize button on the top right. If you have a theme that is installed but not active, you will see a color palette icon instead of the Customize button. Each installed theme has its own customization settings, and you can access them by clicking this icon. For example, let's customize one of these themes by clicking on it. On the next screen, you will see the settings panel on the left-hand side. Everything on the left represents the settings for the page you are editing. For example, this template has a header at the top and a footer at the bottom, and both are shown in the settings panel. If you look closely, you will also see a drop-down at the top. This drop-down represents all the pages available in this template. Right now, we are editing the home page, so is selected. If you choose another page, such as About, the settings will change accordingly. It is important to understand that the header and footer are shared across all pages. Any changes you make to the header or footer will apply to the entire website. Now, let's talk about sections. Each page is made up of several sections. For example, the home page may have a hero section, an about section, a services section, and a testimonial section. These sections are shown both on the page and in the left settings panel. To edit a section, you can either click on the section in the preview or click it from the left panel. This will open the section settings. Each section includes options like background, border, and other layout settings. Exclusive to our templates, you will also see desktop layout, mobile layout, and custom CSS options. These custom CSS settings apply only to that specific section. Inside each section, there are blocks, such as text blocks and image blocks. If you want to edit a block, you can click it directly on the page or select it from the left panel. This will open the block settings. Each block also has its own set of options, including desktop layout, mobile layout, and custom CSS. These advanced controls are exclusive to our templates and give you more flexibility and control. So now you understand what sections are, what blocks are, where to find section settings, and where to find block settings. Next, let's talk about global settings. You can find these by clicking Settings. Global settings affect the entire website. Under General Settings, you can update your favicon, which is the small icon shown in browser tabs. This is important for branding. You can also control default background colors and background images. Changes made here apply across the site. There are also desktop scaling options, but most of the time, you do not need to change these because they are already optimized by the theme developer. You may notice options to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Thanks to our exclusive templates, you only need to adjust desktop and mobile settings. Layouts for iPad and tablet are automatically optimized, so you don't have to make separate adjustments. This means you save up to 50% of your time by skipping unnecessary tablet and iPad setup. The color settings and font style settings are very powerful and exclusive to our templates. We will explain these in more detail in later videos. The design options are also available, but they are not important right now. There is also a custom code section. Any CSS added here will apply across the entire website. You can also add custom JavaScript, such as Google Analytics or Facebook pixel code. Other options include enabling or disabling comments, the Kajabi member directory, and announcements. These are optional and depend on your needs. Finally, remember this important point. Whenever you make changes, always click the Save button in the top right. If you do not save, your changes will not be applied. These are the basic but very important things you need to know about working with Kajabi and our exclusive settings. With built-in mobile optimization and advanced controls, you will save a lot of time as you continue building your site. We will cover more details in later videos. See you in the next one.